How to connect Make.com to Instagram. So to connect Instagram to Make.com, you need to create a Facebook account and connect your Instagram business account to a Facebook page, and then establish a connection within Make.com using your Facebook credentials and the app's access token. So first, set up your Instagram and Facebook account. So open your Instagram business account and then switch it to professional mode and then create a Facebook page. And if you don't already have one, you can connect it to your Instagram business account. Then you want to create a Facebook app. So you'll need to create a developer account to create the app that will act as a bridge between Make.com and Instagram. Then after the app creation, navigate to the Facebook developer dashboard and create a new app, selecting the Instagram basic display as the product. Then obtain the user access token. So for authentication, follow the process within the Facebook developer dashboard. And then for the user token, you'll receive a user token after successfully authentication. Then lastly, you want to connect the Instagram to Make.com. So create a connection and create a scenario, add an Instagram module, and then for the connection details, choose Instagram for business, and then for the advanced settings, you may need to switch on show advanced settings. And then you want to configure the actions, so choose your actions, do some testings, and make sure that before setting them up to run automatically.